Some of us are needier than others, and some just need to need. Today's question for our Pet Vet on Call: why do cats need?
Well, nobody really knows. There are some theories. One of them is that it is a comforting feeling from when they were babies, needing on their mama to stimulate milk letdown. Some of them think that it's a relaxing marking behavior from scent glands on their feet to where they are claiming their territory or their human, but in general, everybody agrees that it is a calming behavior, not a stressful one. So just deal with it.
We thought you'd need to know. We invite questions from anyone. If you have a question, you just send it to Petvet, KOAMTV.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday on KOAM News at 5. You can also find answers to previous questions on our website. Now let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. From the Joplin Humane Society, we've chosen this senior female Australian Shepherd mix named Betsy. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we've chosen this 5-year-old cat named Agatha. The shelter says she's very sweet and quiet. If you're looking for a pet, why not at least check out your local Humane Society? They always have a lot of great ones to choose from. Cats, dogs, and otherwise, occasionally.
Yeah, that's true.